Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Good evening, traders. Welcome to Aatinaa weekly report. This is the market heads up for the week of 9th tomorrow, and a little bit of recaps on the May 2nd weekly, what just happened last week. Monday to Tuesday, markets actually pretty flat, going sideways. On Wednesday, everything's become green. That's the FOMC decisions align with market expectation. Just like to mention that we did take a quite a bit of profit in this Wednesday. We saw about 8 position on that day. I like to show you something different this week. How do you spot the strong trend within the sector, and then how do you actually find a stock within the sector that may be a bull for next coming week? So first of all, let's start with the sector ETF again, XLE. The strong sector, you can clearly see them visually on this chart. If you go back sometime September last year, XLE just reaping all of this other ETF. So we know that right now energy is the strongest sector within the market. So how do we go find the stocks that we are going to buy within this strong sector? All right, before I do that, let me show you. So now we are focusing on the energy sector, but and of course oil company is one of the energy sector. I like to mention here that not all company, not all stock within the strong sector are made the same or are equals. uh, some of them are compliant, some of them are not. I'm giving you two examples over here. One is ExxonMobil, and the other one is Oxy over here, right? And if you go to Aatinaa.co and you can type in the symbol over here or the ticker or the name of the company on this field and you hit search, they will give you the status of each company that you're looking for. It will give you the what we meant by status, the compliance status by Aatinaa ranking. XOM in this case, Exxon is Aatinaa compliant. On the other hand, Oxy is non-compliant, and the reason why it is non-compliant, you can see over here, is that the uh, debt to market cap is 110%. So it actually has more debt than its on market cap. All right, so the way to do it, we go to our stock screening, stock hacker if we are using thinkorswim, and you can set up all any uh, technical filter that you want, however you like it to scan it. But to identify the sector that we want, we go to category, scan in over here, and go down, go to industry, and you select energy, and we just put select all energy. So right now we are focusing ourselves in scanning within the energy sector alone. So we're not paying attention to any others sectors that, from the ETF plot I showed you minutes ago, is quite poor performance. All right, so then that's the energy sector, and then here we can intersect them with Aatinaa list that we have. uh, that is the Q1 2021 Aatinaa list, and then we can run them. Aatinaa list will give you all of the stock that is currently Sharia compliance, according to Aatinaa filter. So here is the list of the energy or the oil company that, right now in a very strong sector and fitting with our technical criteria. So I'm gonna save it, save query, save it, yes, and then we can see them one on the chart in a minute. Before I do that, one thing that I like about having this scanner, this one here, book value per share growth. So this is one of the indicators that I use a lot to see the growth of the company. So the bigger the number, that's a good company because they're growing really fast, outpace the others. So I'll put MGY. It's one of the things that I like to see first because it's growing really fast, and mineral, and then Conoco on the bottom. So let's see how that looks in our chart. There is the MGY, the upper portion. That is the weekly time frame, and this is the daily, and this is the minutes time frame. I'm having 10 minutes time frame over here. So this one of the potential good stock we like to buy. However, just keep notes here. MGY is about to have the earning on 5/9, so that's tomorrow, after market. So I try not to buy a stock that going to have the earning, because earning is very uh, unpredicted. I don't know what the outcome would be. There's sometimes some stock may go up, some stock may go down tremendously. So maybe the best way on this one, we wait until it finish earning, and then we can see what's happened with that. The other one that looks come up on our screen was mineral, right? Uh, that just finished earning. That's finished earning, and the earning was positive compared to the estimate on Wall Street. So that may be something we would like to consider to buy next week. That's a really good one. So now you get a few, you know, handful of stock to choose from to make decision to buy sometimes in the upcoming week. Oh, actually, in the upcoming days, in the when the market open next week. All right, that's how we use the sector performance. We start with sector performance first to find the strong sector right now. Then we go to the individual stocks, and we find from technical which one we like to buy. All right, that's all, folks, for now. And if you like it, you can hit the like and subscribe button so you're not gonna miss any new video from Aatinaa. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.